Hello. Today I am here to inform you about higher education in America. My purpose is to inform my audience about the benefits of higher education. This information will help my audience when deciding on whether or not they will go to college or just continue on with the high school diploma. Many people believe college ain't for everybody. Many people in America use the excuse that higher education isn't for everybody as a reason for not continuing with their education. People believe that they can still get a decent paying job without actually receiving a diploma of some sort. My purpose is to inform my audience about the benefits of a good higher education. This information will help my audience when deciding on what their future will look like. I will first talk about the unemployment rate in America. Then I will cover the difference in pay between college graduates and those who did not graduate from college. Finally, I will talk about the amount of time people without higher education keep the same job. School may not be for everybody, but education is. And one of the key indicators of the importance of education is the amount of unemployed people in America. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, 6.3% of Americans are currently unemployed, which means there are many people that are still left without a job. The majority of the people that are suffering from unemployment are people that did not receive higher education. In America, 12% of the unemployed are people with only high school diplomas, versus the 3.7% of people with a college degree. Without higher education, people are limited to a small amount of jobs, which mostly end up being fast food or low-paying jobs. Not only are they offered fewer jobs, but the pay difference is very significant. High school graduates earn half of what college graduates earn in a lifetime of earnings. As time progresses, the gap between the two groups of people is continuing to increase substantially. On average, college graduates make $17,500 more annually than those with only high school diplomas. Although many people with college degrees are fighting to find jobs, it leaves more people without college degrees losing to jobs that they were once awarded only designed for them. Once they have a decent job, it is up to them to keep the same job. The average employee spends 4.6 years working the same job. So if someone did not receive higher education, that time is almost cut in half. Because the use of technology is rising in America, workers need to have many skill sets, and most of those skills come from college training and experience. Many employers are not eager to hire employees that job hop, which many people without a college degree are known for doing. In conclusion, my purpose was to inform my audience about the benefits of a good higher education. The unemployment rate is rising, and so is the gap between the salaries of college graduates and non-college graduates. As these two continue to rise, the amount of years non-college graduates stay working the same job will continue to decrease significantly. Employers want experienced and flexible workers, and most of that training is learned from the college experience. While college may not be for everybody, it is for people who want to work and make a living for themselves while living in America. So when deciding on whether or not to go to college, you should take these few pointers and keep that in mind so that when you're looking for a job, that's not a problem for you because you have that degree and you have that training, you have that education that employers are looking for. So go out, be proactive, get the job, and earn it and continue to work the job, and don't worry so much about losing your job because you have the education that you need to keep your job and you're qualified for the job. So get up, get out, get higher education. Thank you.